Welcome to Salvation Home Service. Today we're gonna give you service to this Rinnai tankless water heater model R75. What we're gonna do with this water heater today is install the service valve in hot and cold side because we need to do a flushing with vinegar. This flushing with vinegar is required every 1 or 2 years, depending on the scale of your water. This is required to not void any warranty and the heater change. If you have any question, please call us to Salvation Home Service 703-859-2200. Thank you for your time.